everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's Cricut tutorial, I will show you a birthday hack that you can do with your Cricut. Instead of buying cups with decorations on them, which are 3 times the price, just get the plain cups and put a sticker on them that match your decor. Making stickers is super simple, and I'll show you how to do it. If you can't find what you're looking for in Design Space, you can pick up SVGs for free on lots of different sites. Today I'm on ohmyfiesta.com, which has free printables. I'll just click on it and save this to my computer. Now I can open up Design Space and I'll show you how to set up the cut. Click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse, and there is my LOL sheet. For a design with lots of elements like this, I always choose complex. Now I just need to remove the background by clicking on it. As you can see here, the bow from this girl's head was accidentally erased. This is an easy fix though. Just click on Restore to bring it back. I'll just change the brush to the largest it can go to get a nice smooth edge on the circle. And when I click on it, it comes right back. That looks good, so I can press Apply and continue. On this screen, choose Print and Cut. And now we can click on the picture and add to canvas. The largest print and cut size is 6.75 by 9.25. So I will set the width of this to 9.25. I'll just click on this little lock so the height adjusts accordingly as well. That's it for this step. Stickers couldn't be simpler. I have already loaded sticker paper into my printer, so I can just click on Make It and print. The link to the sticker paper that I'm using is in the description below. There are a few different settings that you need to do when making stickers. If you want your machine to cut out stickers individually, where it cuts out the sticker page and the backing paper, then choose Sticker Paper from the drop-down menu. If you want the sticker sheet to stay intact as one sheet, then you'll want to use the washi sheet setting instead. That's the one I'm going to use today. Now I'll show you how to cut it out with your machine. I'll just put this on a green mat, and then I can pop it into my Cricut. There is a thick black line around the outside of the stickers. This is here to help your machine calculate where it's going to make the cut. These stickers are cut out and they look great. They were quick and easy to make and are a nice little touch for a party. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.